Hi, this is Teacher Molly from the Junior Museum and Zoo. Welcome to my shelter. Hope everyone's staying safe. I used my staircase and made a marble roller coaster with some friends. This is made out of foam pipe insulation that you can get at Home Depot. And then we used a bandsaw to cut it in half to make marble roller coaster tracks. We have a bandsaw in our garage because my roommate is a mechanical engineer. I don't expect all of you to have that at home, but you can use scissors to cut the tracks in half as well. You just have to be careful to keep the sides as smooth and even as possible. It'll be a little tricky, but if there are rough edges and weird angles, it actually will affect how your marble rolls down the track. So you need the foam tubing, a marble, and let's see, sorry, I have like lots of marbles, and masking tape, and then you can get rolling. So you don't need to use a staircase. We just were trying to get this as high up as possible because the higher you start from, the more energy your marble is gonna have to roll down that track. So I'm gonna test it out. I'm just gonna drop a marble. I'm gonna let gravity pull it down, and we're gonna see if it gets all the way to the cup at the end. That's the sound I like to hear in the video to see them moving because they go so fast, but try to see if you can hear them whizzing by. I'm gonna drop one. Woo! I put a red Solo cup at the end just to catch my marbles, and there's some tape over it to act like a net. And that's so when the marble hits the back of the cup, it doesn't bounce back out. It has so much energy that it's built up. So what is energy? Energy is what we use to move. So anytime you guys are swinging, jumping, skipping, walking up and down a flight of stairs, you're using energy. How do we get energy? We're omnivores, so we get energy from eating food, other animals, and plants. Plants get energy from the sun. The sun gets energy by converting hydrogen atoms into helium atoms. What does that mean? I don't know. So my challenge to you guys is, as a family, can you make a marble roller coaster in your house? Even in a one-story house, take some tape, tape it up to a high point. Gravity, the higher it is, it's gonna try to pull that marble straight to the ground. If you put a track in between the marble and the ground, you'll be able to move that marble the way you wanna move it. Moving energy, when we're moving, it's called kinetic energy. When you have energy stored up inside of you, food you've eaten, it's potential energy. When you get a track really high up and you put that marble down, that marble might not be moving, but it has a lot of potential energy. And once gravity starts pulling on it, it creates kinetic energy. I misspoke earlier. I was talking about hydrogen and helium atoms. Forget the atoms. The sun makes energy from hydrogen converting into helium. It's a complicated process, and honestly, I'm a biologist, and it's not my strongest area. But even when biology isn't necessarily have a lot to do with energy, I love playing with roller coasters. I love experimenting. I love making different loops. We did this little big corkscrew right here, and we have turns and we have hills, and I challenge you guys to make tunnels and all kinds of fun stuff in your own homes. Take pictures, take videos, post it to our website, and share in the fun, and I will hopefully see you guys soon. I miss you so much and I love you. Hi, J&Z families.